Hello, Happy New Year, everyone. Let's welcome 2022 with this product. Uh, it is a audio interface by M Audio, and it came from Japan. And let's do a quick unboxing, and let's see what's inside. So here is our audio interface. It's called M Audio Duo, Mtrack Duo, and this is the front, and this is the back, and the side, and the other side. This is the top of the box. So let's open this. Actually, I've opened this earlier and I see what's inside, but I just want you to experience the unboxing. So here's what's inside. We have the manual, and inside is the interface itself. So here is the M Audio Mtrack Duo. As you can see, it's sealed. It is sealed, and a USB cable. So that's it. And let's open the interface. Wow. So here's the M Audio M Track Duo, and here it has a 2 XLR combo jack. Here's the, you can switch between line or instrument, and here's the phantom power and the headphone jack, and the output selector. You can switch it to USB or direct stereo or direct mono. And at the top we have 4 volume knob. It's input 1 and input 2, and the headphone volume and the monitor volume. It has a separate knobs for headphone and monitor. And at the back we have the USB port and the main outs. It is a tip ring sleeve TRS cable. You're gonna use TRS cable for the left and right, so it's balanced. And it has a crystal preamp here, and that's it. This is unboxing of the M Audio Mtrack Duo with 2 combo inputs, 2 combo XLR inputs, and I will just update you when I get to try this this interface, and I will post a review. So this has been a quick unboxing of the M Audio Mtrack Duo, and once again, this is Philip from Sai Music, and Happy New Year, everyone.